In this quick video, I want to show you how to do the self-checkout at any Publix grocery store. Thank you. 2 for $6. Organic sliced mushrooms. Let's go for it. Organic cauliflower, only $2.99. Oscar Mayer wieners, $4.89. Dakota grass-fed beef, $9.49. These are my favorite, zero sugar. Tic Tacs, $4.79 for a big one. All right, so you know that the lane is available if that lights up green. And I want to be using a credit card. Some of them do cash transactions, but this one does not. So the only thing you have to do is you can enter your phone number in, and you put your phone number in here. But only thing you have to do is just start scanning. And you want to scan that barcode that's on every item right there. So, barcode.
And then you can number.
Okay, barcode. Barcode. And then finally, my cauliflower. There's the barcode. You can scan it as well, the scanner here, like this, and you just push the trigger like that. Sure, thanks.
Thank you.
All right, if you have produce like bananas or something that doesn't have a barcode, only thing you have to do is just click search key item. Let's say I got regular bananas. Only thing I do is just look it up by letter. So if bananas, I'd click bananas. And then what I would do is I would place, this is a scale here as well. So I would just put the bananas there and it would weigh it, and then it would give me a total. But I do not have bananas. All right, so we're going to pay by credit card. So the only thing you have to do is just click pay. And then you could either slip in the chip like this, in here, slip it in. Or what I want to do is I'm going to scan the chip that's here. All right, there's my receipt, and I'm good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.